Good day. This is the Professor, CBMG PhD, and today is Tuesday, November 29th, 2022. It is 3:05 and 1 second, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, ectopic pregnancy. So let's hop to it here. Researchers move closer to better care for life-threatening pregnancy condition. Date November 22nd. 2022. Source: Oregon State University. The scientists have produced a proof of concept for a new and better way of caring for women facing the life-threatening situation of ectopic pregnancy, which occurs when a fertilized egg implants somewhere other than the lining of the uterus. The researchers have used pregnant mice to develop a novel nanomedicine technique for diagnosing and ending ectopic pregnancies, which are non-viable and the leading cause of maternal death in the first trimester. The study is important because 2% of all pregnancies in the United States and between 1% and 2% worldwide are ectopic. The authors note, in the U.S. alone, that translates to approximately 100,000 ectopic pregnancies annually. There are about 98% of ectopic implantations happen in the fallopian tubes, putting women at risk of hemorrhage and death. Complicating matters are high misdiagnosis, frequency. Ultrasound yields an incorrect diagnosis 40% of the time, combined with a 10% failure rate of the primary drug, methotrexate, used to end an ectopic pregnancy. Roughly 70 women in the U.S. die each year from ectopic pregnancies, which are responsible for 10% of all pregnancy-related deaths. Women who survive often struggle with a range of issues resulting from diagnosis and treatment. The current strategies include attempted diagnosis with transvaginal ultrasound treatment with methotrexate and surgery if necessary. The strategies are associated with the risk of tubal rupture, reduced fertility, and increased risk of another ectopic pregnancy. A woman who has had one ectopic pregnancy is 10% more likely to have a second one. And even when methotrexate, a drug that ends ectopic pregnancy by causing embryonic cells to stop dividing, is effective, it comes with a range of potential side effects: nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, elevated liver, enzymes, kidney damage, and lung disease. Administered intravenously, the new nanoparticles accumulate in the placenta, which nourishes and maintains the fetus through the umbilical cord. In a healthy pregnancy, the placenta forms inside the uterus, and in an ectopic pregnancy, it does not. The effective detection of the growing placenta would drastically improve the accurate and timely identification of ectopic pregnancy. Once the nanoparticles are concentrated in the placenta, the organ can be seen through fluorescent and photoacoustic imaging, and it quickly becomes clear whether the placenta is where it's supposed to be. And if it is, the patient would know she did not have an ectopic pregnancy, and the embryo is unaffected by the particles as they do not cross the placental barrier. If the placenta is in a fallopian tube or other incorrect location, the pregnancy could be ended by exposure to near-infrared light, which causes the nanoparticles to rise in temperature above 43 degrees Celsius and irreparably disrupt placental function via heat. The main goal in the study was to evaluate the nanoparticles' ability to identify and visualize the developing placenta and demonstrate its photothermal capabilities. The experimental results are promising, and the next step is to validate it in other animal models to further advance the application of this technology. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.